Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Hope you're all doing great. Today I'm back to show you how to make an easy half double crochet diamond block or diamond shape crochet pattern. Very easy to make and quick. This is good for many projects, including blanket or whatever project you have in mind. So this diamond block is using half double crochet, and what you need to know before we start, we will start by increasing the number of stitches in every row till we get the width we want for the diamond. Then we will start decreasing after that to shape the diamond shape, and we'll get started with the tutorial so you understand clearly. Also, you'll find the written pattern in the description box if you need it. I'm using 4mm crochet hook and medium worsted yarn. We'll start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 3. I'm gonna make two half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Chain 2. 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, one half double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, chain 2, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in each stitch. So this is the only thing you need to do for the first part of the diamond. You start with chaining 2, you make 2 half double crochet in the first stitch and 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch till, like we said, you get the width required of the diamond. So in this tutorial I'm gonna make 10 rows initially, and then I'll start the decrease. I'll finish the 10 rows and come back to show you how to make the decrease. So here I have finished 10 rows for the first part, and now we'll start shaping the pattern, crochet into the diamond pattern. So chain 2, and I'm gonna yarn over, oops, so chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull through, yarn over again, insert the stitch into the second, insert the hook into the second stitch and pull through all. That's the half double crochet decrease. Then I'm gonna continue with half double crochet till the end of the row. So that's all you need to do for the rest of the project. You start with chain 2, then you make 2 half double crochet decrease and half double crochet in every stitch. You'll be left at the end with 2 stitches where you do 2 half double crochet together again, and then fasten off. Chain 2, This is how it starts shaping. We've got 4 stitches left here, 1 decrease and 1 half double crochet in the next 2. Okay, chain 2, 1 decrease, half double crochet, chain 2, and this is the last decrease, 2 half double crochet together. Okay, oops, slip stitch, and that's it. Fasten off and cut the thread. And this is, oops, this is how you get the half double crochet diamond shape. So you can do it with any projects or any thing, maybe ornaments or amigurumi, depends on your preference. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.